Good evening to everyone. Today, in this video, we are mainly focusing about how to register for an Palo Alto course in their website. So already most of the students they got their AICT internships. So here we see the registration process in their website. Okay, registration process of Palo Alto in their website. Okay, so for that I already have this um, enrollment guide. So in this will be available in the Palo Alto website or EDU Skills website or AICT. You can go through it. Here in this enrollment guide, you can able to find out what are the courses available and how to register the process. So first of all, this Palo Alto Network Cybersecurity Entry Level Technician PCC-ET certification process, which is an self-paced course. Okay, self-paced course with all the resources available in the website. And here in this PCC-ET, it provides the minimum knowledge to the candidate about the networking as well as the cybersecurity fundamentals. So here, this is the roadmap for the week on Palo Alto. So the first course is starts with cybersecurity foundation. Cybersecurity foundation. Next, it have the network security fundamentals and cloud security fundamentals and security operation fundamentals. There you have they have the certification. I mean, certified cybersecurity entry level technician exam PCCET. Further, it have the enterprise security, and cloud security and security operations. So these are the courses they have. This is a stage one. I mean, stage one. Here, in this process of studying, that is in self process of studying, self-paced learning, they provided with an study guide. Okay, they provided with study guide, and they have the different modules. They have the different modules in the courseware. Introduction to cybersecurity, fundamentals of cyber network security, and fundamentals of cloud security, and fundamentals of SOC. So this is the course structure. And once the courses are completed, they are need to go for the certification process with their examinations. They have the global examination too, global certification. So here, from this point, we are mainly focusing how to create an Beacon account in Palo Alto website. So you can directly click on the link. Sorry. Just one point I want to mention here. My Google page. This Google page is already logged in with my Gmail. With this Gmail, I already log in through the into the Palo Alto website. So that's why it's showing already you have the account. So don't mind. So I just copy. So I just copy and I open with another Gmail page. Okay. I think now it is clear. So whenever I click that link, I will get the page like this. I will get the page like this. Now I need to provide whatever the mail ID. Okay, whatever the mail ID I need to. I mean, I registered with internships because I will paste these two windows simultaneously. Then you can be easily to understand. Then fine. So already they provided enter the email ID. Okay, and email ID that is registered with AICT internships. So previous cases, I mean, in my previous video, I've already showed how to register in AICT internships. So with that internship mail ID only, I need to be log in here because otherwise I can't able to whatever called, I can't able to correlate these two courses because I log in with another email ID and in AACT portal and log in here. So I can't give assurance the same person done the internship. So I just whatever the mail you registered, okay, whatever the mail you registered in AACT portal, the same mail ID you kindly register here. So now provide your whatever the security capture. Okay, so once you given this one, okay, so once you provided your information and click on the next, you have the page like registration of Palo Alto networks. So make this one as so. Here you kindly give your details. So kindly, I'm just mentioning once again, kindly don't give any wrong details. Even if your name is having 2, 3, that is, for example, my name itself, it is having two words. I need to provide those 2 words in my first name and my surname as the last name. So don't do any mistakes or don't do any shortcuts. Whatever that your 10th class, as per your 10th class name or your certificates, how your name is there. So kindly provide the name like that only. Once you completed your details entering, so kindly give the password, and they provided some conditions. Okay, they have provided some conditions. That means it may having minimum 8 characters length and it should contain both uh, uppercase as well as lowercase and number and symbols. So re-enter that. So I just want to provide so they will check and mention whether the user ID is available or not. Okay, no issue of short forms. So just so once you provided all this information, so all this information, I'll kindly click on the register. Kindly click on the register. So once you completed, you can click on the register. So based upon your registration details, you can get a message. Okay. So you got in confirmation mail to the mail ID which you registered. So thanks for registration. So kindly go through your email. Which is you provided. So kindly click on the activation link provided here. Okay. So your account is activated now. So previously you enroll the course. Okay, you done the account creation process. Once you got the mail to your registered mail ID, you please click on here to continue this. Right now, your account is activated. So kindly give your username. So once you provided your username, whatever you mentioned during your registration process, kindly provide it. So for example, if you forget your password, you can click here. They will provide one more password. Yes. So you got a mail for resetting the password. So they're providing minimum 8 length characters and which consist of this one. So I'm providing. So they ask you to update the time zone. So I'm updating the time zone to New Delhi core, which is GST 530. Update the time zone. Okay. So in this step, kindly don't give any of your interests. Kindly don't give any of sort of interest. So kindly click on the cross mark. Kindly click on the cross mark. So this is the page. Okay. So this is the page where you can get the home page of your beacon. Okay. Home page of your beacon. This is your home page. This is the home page. This is the till now the registration process is completed. Up to this point, the registration process is completed. The next step is how to go through your courses, how to go through your process. So kindly check your whatever this guide. So already we completed this. Once we provided our details, we get an email. Yeah, correct. And next, once you got the confirmation, you have this click on the link provided there. So when you are click on the link provided there, you can get the information that is your account is activated. Okay. So once you got this one, you kindly go to this page. Okay. So actually this process, this step we missed because we forgot our email ID. Okay. So once you click on sign in, once you sign in with your name, so they ask you for the update the time zone. So once you give the time zone and click, you get the this pop-up, make it smarter by choosing your courses and credentials. We simply click on the cross mark. Okay, we simply click on the cross mark and okay. So later, with your correct credentials and updated time zone, you need to be logged. Okay, you need to be login page. So here I'm choosing this URL. So my sincere request is kindly check your account. So this is my account and this is my information. And now I'm landed in the page where the courses are available. Okay. So whatever the study materials and whatever the courses, all those things are they provided. So I need to go through the which course. The first course is my introduction to cybersecurity. So once again, we go to our guide. So why I'm showing the guide as well as the my real pages. So if if any student not able to understand, whether it is right or wrong, he can able to go through the guide. When he study this guide, they can able to understand the easy way of I mean the process of choosing registration process. So first click on the first course, that is introduction to cybersecurity. So here when you go through your available courses, you can have this introduction to cybersecurity. So kindly click on that. Okay, once you click on that, you can have the introduction cybersecurity, and the next you have the course and feedback process. So click on the next, get started. So launch the course. Launch the course. Okay. So once you got the course, you can get the click on button and the learning material. And once you process, go through the learning material and launch it. So this is the way further once you go through the complete material. Okay, once you go through the complete material, you have the exams and you can able to navigate your marks or your complete process of completion of the course. You can able to check through your uh, profile. Okay, you can able to check your profile, all those things. So once you completed the PCCET complete courses, you are encourageable to go for the next courses also. So furtherly, we have the PCNSC course, so which can be continuation for that. So with this, I can provide. It may be helpful to you for the registration process. Only two steps you need to be taken. The first one is the mail which is you are providing. Okay, the mail which is you are providing here. That means in the first step, the account creation in this page, in the account creation, whatever the mail you are providing here, it should be already registered. It should be already registered with your AACT portal. So that's the only thing they mentioned, AACT portal. This is the mail of yours. Okay. The mail which is you registered with AACT portal. That is the first most important point. And the second most point is the name, how it is displayed in your AACT portal. For example, in the AACT portal, I provided with Sai Subhadra A. Now here I'm providing with Abhinay and Sai Subhadra. So there is a conflict between the names. In the individual certificates, I got with the name how I registered here. In the final certificate that is provided by AACT, it is given the name how it will be appears on your AACT portal. So try, don't uh, get the conflicts in the names. So provide the same name as per your SSC, as per your SSC. So that is the second most important point. And third point is don't give any sort of interest. Okay, don't give any sort of interest. That means I'm interested in courses or credentials or some other things. So kindly, if this window is pop up, kindly click on the cross mark. That's it. I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for your patience listening.